Hello everyone, and welcome back to Blushes Sweetly, coming to you with another Dollar General deal. Trying to look for some food items. So the first thing I'm going to pick up is one of these Parmesans. The deal is you buy one of these and you get the pasta for free. So it's time to eat, and I'm gonna pick up one of these. Then I'm going to pick up one of these because this is going to be free. You have the option of this. I don't know if the fettuccine will be counted, but you got the thin spaghetti. But I'm going to go for the regular. And as you can see, I'm doing the remove it deal. Trying to get it. One of my friends said if I can get her some because she can't get out, she's working. So and I just realized I was passing the pasta the pasta sauce, so that's why those are in there. Don't mind that. Anywho, the next thing I'm gonna do is to save $2 instantly off of $10 or more on any Campbell's, Chunky Soups, Swanson, Prego Paste, SpaghettiOs, V8, and the Pepperidge Farm golden cracker, whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna do some Pregos. Let me do 3 of these. Oh wait, hold on, I don't want this stuff to fall out. So move that to the side. My 2 little coupons there. I get 2 of the garden, and let's go for flavored meat. So that's $6 right there. Let me look for some V8 drinks. Alrighty, the next items I'm gonna be picking up is a V8 Splash. I'm gonna do 1 of each, and of course they're on sale, so this is on the whole thing, because that means I have to find a filler item, because when I get 2 it's gonna be $3.50, so we gotta find something for 50 cents, or like a little quick fill-in. Alright, so I'll pick up the berry blend, and let's go for tropical blend. Alrighty, the next item I will be picking up for this deal, I'm just gonna go for the basic chicken noodle soup. Oh, that's got a little dent. I don't take things that got a dent unless I cause a dent. That one's okay, but anywho, this is the stuff that we remember when we were small. I'm gonna take that. That's just gonna put me 50 cents over. That's okay. On to the next. Alrighty, then I'm gonna pick up this new croissant pepperoni. This is, I forgot. Oh, $6.25. Alright. And when you scan it, we have $1.50 off, making it $4 and some change. Alright, so let's pick this one up. I did scan all these other pizzas, and no, it's not glitching, so just letting you know that. Well, I didn't try that one though. Oh well. If anyone had this in their store. I'm actually at a brand new store, like it opened up like a month ago, and I just saw this, but I don't have the $1 off coupon on this account, and I don't feel like searching. So yeah, this is like a little it's called lunch makers, and these are what you get. And that's that one. That's a nice little kit. It'll be even better if the $1 attaches. I'll have to try if I come back around this way. Alright everyone, 28 is a go. Same 2 coupons, all the discounts. $4.16. So what was it for? 24? It was $4.12. I can't remember now. I think that's what it was. Yeah, because the first, the 5, I don't know. Anywho, as you can see, for 28 of them, you're gonna pay $4.16, savings of $23.84. Alright, so as you can see, the discounts came off. We also have the $1.50 that came off with the pizza. Everything was $17.20, but then I handed over that $5.01 coupon, and it brought it down to $12.20 with the savings of $9.80, 9 items. It's not bad for having a pizza, some pasta sauce. There goes some Pregos with the 2 discounts, and that's because of my $5 off 1 cent coupon. But wait, oh, the Parmesan, you see there the discount, and then the spaghetti sauce, the discount there. Pasta. Oh my gosh, the Parmesan and the spaghetti, not the spaghetti sauce at the bottom, those came on. Alright everyone, like, comment, and subscribe. Keep your eyes on the prize. Back to the win.